out, guys. Big box breaks at eFor.com. Break number 469 is filled. Appreciate it. So if you don't get hit in this break, you're going to be entered into a free spot random in my next one. So let's get to it. Sorry for the wait. Kids sports all weekend out of town. And 3. We got Stars on the bottom. Carolina on top. And there we go. There's the teams. And people in the break. 3. We got Elias on the bottom. Rydella, who took most of this. On top. Where is that? There we go. And as always, I put this in the description below. So Rydella, you've got Hurricanes, SM Lamontage, Oilers, as well as the Leafs. Rangers goes to Noah. Avalanche goes to Noah. Montreal goes to Rydella 16. Sabres is Seltzers. Rydella is going to get the Lightning. Oilers is Ryan Jen, or Hawks, sorry, is Ryan Jen. Kraken is Fran Robbie. 81. Vegas is Rydella. Noah the Jets. D. Horky the Blues. Ryan Jen Columbus. Fran Robbie 81 the Ducks. Rydella, you got the Senators and the Canucks. Or no, the Sharks. Horky, you've got the Canucks. Rowe, the Flames. Washington is Rydella. Ghost Frank, you got the Pittsburgh Penguins. Wild, Rydella. Noah, you've got the Coyotes and Bruins. Bring this up here. Casper, you got the Kings. Ghost Frank, Predators. Rydella, you got the Wings, Devils, Flyers, and Panthers. Seltzer, you got the Islanders. And LL 2655 from the free spot gets the Stars. So, they're the teams. And off to spot 2, bust the box. Okay. Let's get to it. Empty. Packs everywhere here. I'll just sleeve most of them here. Maybe purple right off the bat. So base. All-Star Carlson. Flyers Marquise rookie Andrell. Base. And for the Bruins, Patrice Bergeron. I'll just sleeve all the markings. Actually, this one's purple, so we'll top load it. Upside down. Playing card. Boone Jenner or Johnny Gaudreau. Rookie Matt Murray, not the Matt Murray we're used to, and Sean Farrell, rookie retro. A little bit out there. Rookie Jack Hughes Premier.
Cale Makar All-Star. Radek Fask, Dallas. Premier Deserves. Not numbered. Jack Hughes, nice hit. Devils. Marquise rookie, Washington, Euro, Vancouver, Thatcher Demko purple, the Matt Dubba retro, Minnesota. See the Hawks, you kind of lose it a little bit inside. Playing card, Pittsburgh. Scott Mayfield retro, Devils or Islanders. And Marquise rookie, Greg, Ottawa. Tons of purples. Oh, Crosby All-Star. Pittsburgh. Purple. Ryan Graves. Devils. These aren't numbered. Nope. Out of 49. And we got a Stuart Skinner retro. And base. Out of 49. Devils doing well. Got top loaders that. Running low on top loaders and supplies. Okay, middle stack now. Except purple's almost in every 3 packs. Luke Phillip, Marquise rookie. Kopitar and Van Riemsdyk Capitals. Kopitar is not numbered, so that's purple. Base. Sorokin playing card. Yuri Saros, Nashville, and Boldig, Marquise rookie, Islanders. Marquise rookie, Florida, Sam Churchage. Anders Lee, and a retro, Durandeu. These are out of 100. Black Islanders. There's a top loader. Bo Horvat, All-Star, Peak, Columbus, and Jujhar Khaira. Chicago, blue, purple, whatever it's called, not numbered. Oh, nice. Premier Slavkovsky. Marquise Rookie. Admir. And then Miko Heischer. It's a regular Premier. So let's leave that after. We got a red. Pasternak, All-Star. Nickus, Carolina. And Anthony Duclair, red. Reds are not numbered. Florida. Last stack. We got a gold. Base. Let's go for the back. Benson. Fiala. Oh, I saw the D. Best player in the league, though. Brad Marchand. Boston. Not numbered. He gets a sleeve and a royal treatment. Bruins. Playing card. Matt Berniers. Jesper Fast. Retro. And fucking every Hawk. Except for the one we're all chasing. Wyatt Kaiser. We got 3 packs left. Got him. Connor Bedard. Hawks. Marquise Rookie. What's behind him? Max Domi. Blue. Connor Bedard. Regular base rookie. He's hit Chicago. There we go. Put him in a top loader. Connor Bedard. Okay, 3 packs left. 3 packs left. Got base spewing everywhere. Jack Campbell. He's doing well in the A. All-Star. Jack Hughes. Thatcher Demko. Retro. And a Christian Fisher. Okay, 2 packs left. Bobrovsky, retro. Oh, Barkov. And also for the Panthers. Rookie, Samovic. This is out of 75. I don't know what they call this. Parallel of some sort. Florida. Okay, last pack. I don't know what else we could hit. What a good product O-Pee-Chee is. Oh, another shine. Marquise rookie, nice. Matthew Niles. Jacob Silverberg, retro. And for the Islanders, Marquise rookie out of 350. So, pretty good box. So, let's go back to the randoms for the free spot in my next break.
Okay, let's go through our hits. Start with the playing cards. Next, we'll do our retros. Quite a few of them. No blank backs. We got our retro rookies. We got 2 of them. We got our lone red, not numbered, and our purples or blues. No, these are purple. Okay, and now our rookies. Okay, our all-stars. Where I had all these together. Okay, and now our bigger hits. Premiers. Beauty. Okay, and now our purple out of 49. Purple rookie, not numbered. We also had black retro rookie, as well as Marquise rookie out of 350. Same guy. And it's beautiful. 1 out of 75. And a Bedard. So we did pretty good. So everybody got hits except for D Horky with the blues, so we won't do a random. So I'll post up another O-Pee-Chee. Sorry for the wait, like I said, and check out bigboxbreaks at eCareer.com. Bye.